Got it. All right. That is number 4 of Lockmania's locks. And this one has no identification. It's simply a brass padlock. No stamps, no numbers, no letters, no engravings, no nothing. It's a thin profile, fairly easy to pick. Easier than I thought. I thought it was going to be sticking a little bit due to its age, and you can see it's old. But yeah, that's number 4, Lockmania. Third of the way through. These are fun to pick. I'm glad I won the contest. I'm having a good time picking these, Lockmania. Thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate it. Shout out to Lockmania, man. He's a good guy. He got some great videos. Excellent picker. Thanks everyone for watching. Shout out to all my subscribers and Parkinson disease warrior friends. I love you all very much. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you wouldn't mind, please leave a like and comment and tell your friends to subscribe. It's going to be a fun ride this year. Stick around. Goodbye.